If you watch my original Seranova microneedling video, you might be wondering, where is the update? It's the number one question I get. And I used it on my crow's feet and I was targeting my dark spots. I did it for over a month, but I used Dysport and Botox in my forehead and in my crow's feet area. And I realized there is no way that I can show you microneedling working when I'm also getting Dysport done. So I said, okay, you know what? That's not fair. I'm going to stop and pause until I can figure out a way to really show if results are coming from microneedling or not. So I thought about how could I do this fair? One thing I thought was, well, I could do my neck, but then I'm also a little worried that it's just going to hurt really bad. And the other thing I thought about was, what about my lips? So I've never done filler, but I actually have pretty thin lips. The reason I've never done filler is because I am so afraid I'm going to end up with like that puffer fish look. I'm going to be the person that has the reaction and looks so fake and overfilled. And I just don't want to take that risk. I have done the lip flip with Botox. And while I thought it was okay, I didn't feel like the results were very dramatic for what it costs. It was actually quite painful too. And it caused me to not be able to drink out of a straw very well. So I didn't really love the lip flip. So here we go. Let's see what happens when I use the Seranova microneedling kit on my lips. It's really for targeting lines, not necessarily for targeting puffiness or like that filler look. So this is not medical advice. This is my own personal experiment. And if it hurts too much, I'm going to stop. I'm not even going to continue because I'm a little bit of a pansy like that. Okay, so the first step, you have your sealed serum and then you have the micro needling part to it. They're really, really tiny needles, but this area tends to hurt a lot less than probably the delicate skin around the lip. And I'm not going to go too far on my lip. I'm going to try to keep it around the borders. But again, if it hurts too much, I'm stopping. You want to take off the lid and that starts it unwrapping. And then you're going to fill it into here. I did a full tutorial on how to use this in the other video, so you can always reference that as well. Okay, let's pour. We're definitely going to have a lot extra because this vial can be done for your whole entire face. But again, I'm only going to target such a small area of my face. Okay, and then you shake it a few times, and then we're going to flip it over and let it sit for about 1 to 2 minutes. And during that time, I'm going to go ahead and just cleanse my lip area again, just to make sure it's extra clean. In my mind, this is going to work a couple ways. Either it's going to totally work and we're going to see a noticeable change in my lips over time, or B, it's going to cause temporary inflammation just because I'm doing the light puncturing and then it will just go away like the next day. So we'll see. This is how much I have left of my kit. So if it works the first time, I'll give it 2 weeks and then I'll decide if I want to continue or not. So let's start. I'm so scared. I'm barely stamping right now. Just to get some liquid to come out, I'm going to go ahead and stamp my face. You can see it will get red, but it doesn't like hurt, at least right here, until you do about the third pass through, and then it does kind of hurt a little bit. Okay. It hurts a little bit. Yeah, I'm not loving this. Okay, I'm starting to see or feel that the serum is coming out, so I think that's a good sign. I feel like my lips already look a little puffier. So you want to do like a full stamp, but I'm being so careful with it. I know it's a little wasteful to have this much and not use it, so I am going to go ahead and do a couple spots on my face. Anything extra you have, and yes, I have a ton extra, I'm going to go ahead and just put it on my face, on my neck. And any redness that does occur, I did it really, really light this time. Other times I've done it, my face is bright red like a cherry tomato. But I wanted to just really focusing on the lip area. I did puncture it, but I didn't want to go too crazy either. I don't want to have a reaction or anything like that. And the lip area is just so delicate. The part that's probably the most frustrating about this is the wait, because you're not going to see overnight results. You will see overnight that your face no longer looks red, so that's nice. But you can't just wake up the next day and be like, it worked. And consistency is really key. So when people keep asking me, okay, where are your 3-month follow-up videos, and I don't have them, I do feel really bad not having them. But again, I didn't want to give out fake information or say, hey, this works, when I'm using other things like injectables. So how can you really tell? And my pet peeve is when influencers or other experts say one thing is causing something when they know that they're not being completely honest. They might be using multiple things. Or when celebrities used to say, oh, how do you have such glowing skin? And they say, I just drink a lot of water. It's like, yeah, I highly doubt that's from water, but you know, maybe they're being honest. Okay, so I still do have a lot extra. That's okay. My skin does feel very hydrated, and I will come back in a couple weeks and we'll see if there's been any change at all. I think it might take a lot of time, but who knows? Maybe this could replace the need for filler ever. If we could just keep my lips natural, but a little more plump, that would be amazing. I'm back. It's been 2 weeks and I did before and after photos. I put them side by side. I really studied them. And in the one where I'm smiling, I actually see improvement on the upper lip. The one where I'm not smiling, I personally can't see improvement yet. Maybe you can, but where I'm smiling, this is actually showing more volume. So I'm really shocked that after 2 weeks, I'm already seeing results. However, I want to say this. Be careful what you wish for, because I got hit by a pickleball in the lips last week. It hit me so hard. I was so glad it didn't impact my teeth or anything like that. There was not blood. I was crying because it hurt really bad. I was embarrassed, but I was also kind of laughing through my tears. A guy hit me. I was right at the net. And he was way better of a player. I think his control was a little bit off. But long story short, I was kind of like joking where I said a lot of women pay a lot of money for lips like this. Now, mine never puffed out, but could I still be swollen from a pickleball hitting my lips? Maybe. It's possible. I did wait a full week. I waited a few extra days before doing the next one. So I have it ready. I've had it upside down now for a few minutes. And let's go ahead, get my lips going again. If I can get those results after 2 weeks, I'll probably keep going for a couple more weeks. So right now, I'm just going around the outside. I'm barely pushing down. Remember, when you really push down on this, you kind of stamp it. I'm barely doing that. If I were to really stamp and press hard, I think this would be a little bit painful because the skin is so thin around your lips. But I'm just pushing this into my lips. Okay, that'll do it. It does give you an instant boost. I don't know how long that will last because usually it does fade down. But maybe if you had an event and just needed lips to look bigger really fast, you could do what I did. One thing that bums me out about this is you get so much extra serum. And I know they say you can put it on your face, but even that amount is huge. So I just feel like it's kind of wasteful. I wish the bottles were tinier and maybe you got more of these. So one thing I would change if I could, but I'm going to let that go and we'll do another 2-week update. I know a lot of you had asked to have more of a midway update. Maybe you want to see the progress. So I might post this now as our midway, and then we'll go from there. So if you are not subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you can follow along with the journey. This is only 2 weeks in. I just did the second treatment, and then we'll keep going from there, and we'll see what kind of differences we can see in just the lips only. And if you haven't watched the first video I did on the Seranova microinfusion microneedling kit, I did a full tutorial how to use it. So you can definitely watch that and see how this all started, how I got interested in this product, and the before and afters of that.